Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Tag Mobile Honest Review. So, Tag Mobile is a wireless provider best known for offering free or very low cost phone service through the Lifeline program. That means if someone qualifies based on income or government assistance, they can get talk, text, and limited data, and sometimes even free smartphone. Now, the service itself runs on AT&T's network, so in areas where AT&T coverage is solid, well, people generally say basic calling and texting work fine once everything is activated. Now, where a lot of people feel positive about is the initial promise. Now, many reviews mention that the sign up process can be straightforward, and some customers say they receive their SIM card on or phone fairly quickly. When everything works as expected, users describe Tag Mobile as doing exactly what's supposed to, providing basic phone service at no cost, which is generally helpful for people who need it. But where the tone changes when you look at Amazon or in s- consumer think or what people are thinking about it. Now, Trustpilot and BBB complaints and Reddit discussions. Well, customer service is by far the biggest issue people talk about. Now, a large number of complaints mention uh, long hold times, unanswered calls or emails, and difficulty resolving problems once something goes wrong. Now, if a phone arrives damaged or service drops unexpectedly or an account needs fixing, many users say getting help can be frustrating and slow. Now, another common issue people mention is device quality and reliability. Now, some users report that the free phones actually feel kinda cheap, arrive with problems, or stop working after a short time. Now, others say data speeds can be inconsistent, which isn't unusual for lifeline providers, but still catches people off guard here if they expect performance similar to major carriers. Now, Tag Mobile isn't generally described as unusable, but it's often described as inconsistent. Now, when you zoom out and look at the overall sentiment here, Tag Mobile has a very mixed reviews, leaning negative when it comes to support and reliability. Now, on complaint-focused platforms, actually many people actively warn others to be cautious. Uh, Basically, especially if they expect expansive customer service or easy issue resolution. Now, the company is not BBB credited, so if you're going to check that, and unresolved complaints are a recurring theme here. So, the honest takeaway here is most reviews land on this. Now, Tag Mobile can be worth if the main goal is free basic phone service and expectations are kept low. Now, for someone who qualifies for Lifeline and just needs calling and texting without paying a bill, it can serve its purpose, but if reliability, device quality, or customer support matter a lot, well, many real users say it's not the best option and that other Lifeline providers offer a smoother experience. Now, in short, Tag Mobile does help people get connected, but it often comes with trade offs. Now, it's useful as a last resort or budget solution here, but as a service, people choose for quality or support. That balance is exactly why opinions around Tag here or Tag Mobile are so divided. And that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.